Hey guys, well, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing our, well, let's do this the right way, Soul Theory unboxing. So I am sorry that this is a little late. There were some issues with shipping this month. Soul Theory acknowledged that and they're like, hey, we're really sorry, we apologize. All of the shipments have already left the warehouse. It is in the hands of USPS now and they are just not, I don't know what happened. Doesn't matter, I literally just got this yesterday, so I wanted to film this today for you so I can get it up before the end of the month. So let's go ahead, jump into this month's box. So before we start, I do want to say that I am an influencer for Soul Theory, meaning I do have a coupon code for you guys. This is in collaboration / partnership with Soul Theory. So thank you very much, Soul Theory, for that. They are a monthly subscription service. So they do focus mainly on sunglasses, men's and women's, which I think is really cool. You can get an array of different boxes as well. So they have boxes where you can just get a single pair of glasses for him or her. You can get a dual pair, so one for him and one for her. You can also get an accessory box which has sunglasses and accessories, and then a sunglass beauty box which has sunglasses and beauty products, which is the box I'm going to open for you today. And something new and exciting. As of next month in February, they will be having a beauty box. So the beauty box is only going to have beauty products in it. That is the box that I will be getting from now on, unless I change it. But as of right now, that's the box I'm gonna be. The February beauty box is already sold out. So now any orders they take for that beauty box will be for March. Super exciting. I think it's exciting. So make sure you go on to soultheory.com. I will leave my link down below. Enter the code EM20, so M20, and you will get 20% off of your first box. Okay, that's a mouthful. I'm out of breath. Let's go ahead and open up this month's box. So this is the January box. Let's see what's inside. This is from Beauty Creations. It is the blending sponge. It is latex free and hypoallergenic. I got a purple color. I don't know if they always come purple, but yeah. It says new shape. So this does very much look like the Beauty Blender. So yeah, I will try this and see how I like it. I'm always on the hunt for good, inexpensive beauty blenders. So there's a whole bunch of purple worms. Look at all these wormies. My goodness. Okay, now, oh, this is also really cool. They started putting the price on the sunglasses, which, I mean, I guess doesn't really pertain to me that much anymore, but I think it's still pretty cool. Okay, so this is the pair of sunglasses we have. I actually really like these two. These are $29.99, and I think these are such a cool shape. Like, I really like these. These are nice. I actually really like them for my face too. I may take these to Hawaii. These are so cool. I like these. These are awesome. Next product we have is from Manna Kadar Beauty. It is the Radiance Bronze and Highlighter Duo. This is what it looks like, and then I'm gonna unscrew it. So it's more of like a travel set. I do think it's pretty. I honestly, though, would probably use this more as an eyeshadow, just because I think that is beautiful and I would really like that on my eyes. So I do like this, but you could definitely use it as a bronzer highlighter like you're supposed to. So I think this is a eyeliner eyeshadow duo. So here's the eyeliner brush and then the eyeshadow. And then it does come with like the little cap for your eyeliner. This is pretty cool, actually. I am pretty excited to try this out and use it. And then we have from Bellaterra Mineral Cosmetics, again, Mineral Lip Gloss in Lavender Kiss. This, it's a bit bright for me personally, like a little tint, so I may actually kind of like that. You probably can't even really see it very well. I thought if it was going to be like this whole dark, it's a little too intense for me. But actually, I think if it is like a little bit of a lighter, more of an actual gloss, it's really pretty. And then the last thing, no, not the last thing, we have two more things. Okay, so we've got this little bag. It's BT, so I'm gonna guess it's Bellaterra as well. It's up to like a really cute, this would be a great purse bag. You know, just a little something to have in your purse. So this is really cute. Okay. And then this is also from Bellaterra. The last product is rose glitter liner in amethyst, and it's waterproof. Ooh, oh, that is so beautiful. I think that's so pretty. Ooh. Yes. Okay. All right. So that's this month's box. We are all out. Pop it in my recycling corner. So I was really excited for all the products this month. This one is the only one that I'm like, I'm gonna have to really try this on and see it. But I think the eyeliner is gonna be beautiful. And then, like I said, even though this is a highlighter blush duo, I honestly will probably use this as eyeshadow. It's makeup, you can use it as whatever you want. So I do really like this. I love this for in my purse. And then I will tell you guys how this works. So yeah, so that was everything. Like I said, these sunglasses, they're gonna have to replace the ones in my car because these are so cute. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this month's box. I hope you are excited for next month's box. So I will have a whole new list of things for us to try next month because I got a sneaky peek at next month's box, and let me tell you, it looks pretty incredible. So like I said, go to soultheory.com. I will leave a link down below. Use the code EM20M20 for 20% off of your first purchase. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys! This month's box, and nope, let's just go ahead and jump into this month's box. Gross. Okay, a box, and that is the box that I am going to be getting Lillian. This dog. She's in her terrible twos right now. Can't get this black tag off. Why do companies make everything so hard for me? Like, don't they know I'm a dummy?